mouse. Once upon a time, there was a lion. I can't see very well. Hey, look at me, I'm a cool lion. He was chasing one day through the jungle. He was chasing a gazelle, a fast, speedy gazelle who jumped over bushes and around through trees when suddenly the lion was chasing him and he caught him and ate him up. But not all of them. He saved a little for later because he got so full. He took a nap. We'll save the rest for later. I'll sleep right by here by my couch. While he was sleeping, a helicopter flew overhead. It was a news crew filming a safari, but the safari was far away. And as the helicopter moved on, thank you! That was really good timing. I didn't think they'd do that. Along came a mouse. Oh, look it, it's a lion, it's a lion. Well, I'm gonna climb on that lion, and then I can tell all my friends how brave I was, that I climbed on a lion. I bet you would do that, ha ha ha. And so the mouse came and climbed on the lion. Shh, very carefully. Shh. Oh, I guess he was just having a bad dream. Cut that out. Sorry. I have you. No, let me go. Aha! I was just wondering about a snack. This will be delicious. No, please don't eat me. Are you kidding me? You crawling all over me with your mousy feet and your mousy nose. Please, if you don't eat me, I'll help you. Ha ha! I laugh at that. Ha! I'm a lion. I don't need a mouse to help me. Little tiny scrawny mouse, you can't help me. Hey, wait a minute. I can't take it. Do you think little people can do big things? Yeah. Do you think that you can do big things? Yeah. Of course you can. So don't say that about my mouse. I'm sorry, but it's true. It's not. Please let me go. That's so funny, I think I will. But if you ever come back here again, snack time. Now go. Okay, thank you. Don't wait. I'll help you someday. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. And the mouse went away. Well, several days later, no, it was a month later, when the lion was hungry again. Roar! He was chasing a warthog through the bushes and through the brambles, when suddenly, as he was chasing him and almost caught him, suddenly he went through a thorny bush and got a thorn in his paw. Ah, ooh, ouch, ah, oh, ooh, I'm dying here. Ah, oh, call 911. Ooh, ah. It's just a thorn. Yeah, put it in your paw. He tried to get it out. He tried to bite it out. I'd better use dental floss on that one. And he tried to shake it out. Shake, rattle, and roll. It wouldn't come out. And so the lion tried to keep it in there, but as he walked, he couldn't run no more. Oh boy, it's a good time to hold Obamacare. Oh boy, and the further he went, the deeper it got, until finally he could hunt no more. Roar! He couldn't find any prey. Roar! And he got weaker. Roar! And weaker. Meow! Until finally, I don't know what else to do. I guess I'll just lay here and die. Oh, misery, misery. Well, just then, guess who came along? The mouse. And the mouse said, "Hey, lion, how you doing, friend? Go away. You've just come to laugh at me like everybody else. Just go away." What's wrong? Can't you see I got a thorn in my paw, and I can't eat, and I can't hunt, and I'm so weak I can barely walk? Oh, please go away. I'll help you. I can. I'll pull it out. You can? Sure, I'm little. I'll grab it in my teeth. Would you do that for me? Sure, you didn't eat me last time. Okay, here we go. Oh, no, cut it out. didn't even do anything yet. I thought lions were brave, but this must be related to the cowardly lion. I don't know about this. Okay, ready? We'll count to 5. I'll pull it out in the count of 5. Ready? Here we go. Count with me, lion. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? I got it on 2. Oh, thank you. I didn't think I'd ever do anything. But the lion was still very weak. He couldn't do anything. So the mouse went and got little pieces of food and brought it to the lion. Oh, gross. Oh, yuck. I don't know how you eat this stuff. Oh, yuck. I got gristle on my belly. Oh, my whiskers are all... But he brought him some more until the lion got stronger. Meow. And stronger. Roar. And stronger. Roar. And finally was able to do his own hunting and keep the herds at bay. And he thanked the mouse, and the mouse went its way, and the lion went its way, and both of them lived a good, long life. And as far as my story, it's the end. The end. Thank you. Oh,